walk through the woods real slow, look at the world below and high above, and all around you too, out where the old grows new, where life is never through. Sunshine or rain, all things remain when colors change as they do. Morning stars blaze milk glass white, like the woodland spider lily in summertime. Silence sounds golden, like the only beach in the fall, when all the colors answer the call. Take in the sweet, sweet air, listen for something there you cannot see, but they can hear and see you too, out where your soul wakes wide, where you can breathe there wide. Sunshine or rain, all things remain when colors change as they do. Birdsong whispers evergreen, like the sweet leaf in gentle wintertime. Sunset burns crimson, like the joyful buckeye in spring, when all the colors come out.